The value that Wooclap really brings to my teaching is twofold. First of all, I can scaffold the students' learning really well using Wooclap. And I do this by starting off with some fairly easy questions, and then as I go through the lecture, I can use progressively harder ones. And that could be perhaps, for example, in the multiple choice, putting a diagram in, getting students to look at that, giving them the diagram to help them answer the slightly harder question, or perhaps getting them to label a diagram. And that takes me on to my second value of Wooclap, which is that you can have such a wide diversity of question types that you can actually use in a lecture. So, for example, you can have multiple choice questions, can have multiple choice questions with a diagram or a photograph uploaded. You can have word clouds, so you can get student feedback instantly and very quickly if it's, a couple of words or on a topic that you want them to type up. You can also have matching, so you can give a definition and you can have a word and you can ask the students to match up the correct definition with the word. And there are other options to also ask for free text. So again, you can ask for free text, and this comes up in boxes on the screen.